All right, it's stopping there every damn time. I just put a brand new spindle on, brand new clamp, took the clamp off, checked it, the button moves. I don't know what else to do at this point, dude. It's very frustrating. This thing worked beautifully until it stopped working beautifully. Spindle's been put on correctly, all brand new. Clamp is put on, all brand new. Hell, I even put a new bit on there. It says clamp is on, green light on the inspector. Please give me some advice. I'm getting frustrated. Not at you generally, just these kids are wanting this thing to work for their project. Okay, here we go.